Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make another type of lace using Tunisian knit stitches and yarn overs. So for this project you will need to start with an odd number of stitches, and this stitch pattern is one row repeat. So we start with our slip knot and we are going to be chaining odd number of stitches. Okay, and I started with 11, and I'm going to work into the back bumps of the chain stitches. Okay, so that's our foundation row in Tunisian crochet. Okay, I've got 11 stitches on my hook, so I'm going to work the standard return pass of yarn over and pull through 1. This is also known as a chain. Then yarn over and pull through 2 stitches all the way back, which brings us to the beginning of the next row. Okay, and this is how we're going to be working our stitch pattern. So we are going to be working 1 Tunisian knit stitch into the first stitch. So we insert the hook from front to back between the front and back vertical bars, yarn over and pull up a loop. We yarn over and skip the next stitch, and we will work another Tunisian knit stitch into the stitch after. So we are going to skip this stitch and work Tunisian knit stitch into the next, like so. Then again we yarn over, skip the next stitch, work into the one after, and again yarn over, skip the next, work into the next one, until we get, again we yarn over and work Tunisian knit stitch until we get to the end stitch, and we work under both strands of yarn of the end stitch, like so. And then we will work standard return pass of chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2. This stitch pattern will really come to life once you work several rows and then block out your project. So again, just to repeat the stitch pattern, we will work 1 Tunisian knit stitch. We start with Tunisian knit stitch, then we yarn over, skip the next stitch and work 1 Tunisian knit into the following stitch. Again yarn over, skip the next stitch, 1 Tunisian knit to the following, and repeat this all the way across until the very last stitch of our row, which is end stitch, and we work the end stitch under both bars, which is the right and the left bar of the last stitch, and again standard return pass. Okay, and that's how you work a basic lace using Tunisian knit stitch and yarn overs. Again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this quick tutorial useful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in another crochet or Tunisian crochet tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.